Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall SaltStack minion from a Linux VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall SaltStack minion from your Linux VPS, start by accessing your server via SSH. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, check the status of the SaltStack minion to ensure it is running. Type the command sudo system status salt minion. If the minion is active, you will need to stop the service before uninstalling it. Use the command sudo system stop salt minion. Now, you can proceed to disable the minion service from starting at boot. Run the command sudo system disable salt minion. Next, remove the SaltStack minion package from your system. Depending on your Linux distribution, use one of the following commands. For Debian or Ubuntu, type sudo apt-get remove salt minion. For CentOS or RHL, type sudo yum remove salt minion. If you wish to clean up any residual configuration files, you can use this command for Debian-based systems, sudo apt-get purge salt minion. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum auto remove salt minion. After the uninstallation is complete, verify that the minion has been removed. You can confirm this by running salt minion version. If you receive a message stating the command is not found, the uninstallation was successful. Finally, it's good practice to update your package list after removing software. Use the command sudo apt-get update for Debian or Ubuntu. For CentOS, run sudo yum check update. You have now successfully uninstalled SaltStack minion from your Linux VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.